Introduce features interest for Spectra Precision LL300N laser level, self-leveling kit with HL450 receiver, clamp, alkaline batteries. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. A fully automatic self-leveling laser level with best-in-class accuracy built in. The LL300N's fully automatic self-leveling capability provides a fast, accurate setup. Rechargeable NiMH battery pack or alkaline batteries keeps the unit working with no downtime due to power loss. Single cross-axis manual slope mode with cross-axis self-leveling allows grade matching for basic slope work, while maintaining accuracy in the cross slope. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.